Pair 3 elements in the oxides, acid plus base, salt plus water. So, bunch of equations you do or you should memorize. Na2O solid plus 2HCl aqueous to form 2NaCl aqueous plus H2O liquid. MgO solid plus H2SO4 aqueous to form MgSO4 aqueous plus H2O liquid. SiO2 solid plus 2NaOH aqueous to form Na2 SiO3 aqueous plus H2O liquid. P4O10 solid plus 12NaOH aqueous to form 4Na3PO4 aqueous plus 6H2O liquid. SO2 gases plus 2NaOH aqueous to form Na2SO3 aqueous plus H2O liquid. SO3 gases plus 2NaOH aqueous to form Na2SO4 aqueous plus H2O liquid. Al2O3 solid plus 3H2SO4 aqueous to form Al2 bracket SO4 bracket 3 aqueous plus 3H2O liquid. Al2O3 solid plus 2NaOH aqueous plus 3H2O liquid to form 2NaAl bracket OH4 aqueous. Al2O3 solid plus 2NaOH aqueous plus 3H2O liquid to form 2NaAl bracket OH4 aqueous. Ionic oxides are alkaline. They contain O2 minus ions, and when they dissolve in water, the O2 minus ions accept protons from water, forming OH minus ions. Na2O solid plus H2O liquid form Na2O solid plus H2O liquid form 2NaOH aqueous pH 12 to 14 of the sodium hydroxide. Mg solid plus H2O liquid form MgOH squared aqueous magnesium hydroxide pH is 9 to 10. Simple covalent oxides form acidic solutions. Therefore, pH of the solutions is 0 to 10. 0 to 2, dissociating in solution, forming hydrogen ions, and negative ion also causes a conjugate base. P4O10 solid plus 6H2O liquid form 4H3PO4 aqueous. SO2 gases plus H2O liquid form H2SO3 aqueous. SO3 liquid plus H2O liquid form H2SO4 aqueous. What does silicon dioxide have? A giant covalent structure of silicon dioxide. Giant covalent structure of silicon dioxide, therefore insoluble in water. However, reacts with bases forming salts, therefore is still considered acidic. Al2O3 aluminium oxide is partially ionic / partially covalently bonded, therefore it is insoluble in water. However, reacts with acids / bases forming salts, therefore amphoteric. Partially ionic / partially covalent bonded, therefore insoluble in water. However, reacts with acids and bases forming salts, therefore amphoteric. Why does Na2O, MgO, and Al2O3 have high melting points? Metal oxides of these are all metal oxides: sodium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide, and they form giant ionic lattices. Strong force of attraction between each ion, so a lot of heat energy required to break bonds. Why does aluminium oxide have a lower melting point than you would expect? The difference in electronegativity between aluminium and oxygen is not as large, therefore the oxygen ions in aluminium oxide don't attract the electrons in the metal oxygen bond as strongly as you would expect. Therefore, the bonds in aluminium oxide are partially covalent. 2Na solid plus half O2 gases to form Na2O solid. 2Al solid plus 3/2 O2 gases to form Al2O3 solid. P4 solid plus 5O2 gases to form P4O10 solid. Mg solid plus half O2 gases to form MgO solid. Si solid plus O2 gases to form SiO2 solid. S solid plus O2 gases to form SO2 gases. 2Na solid plus 2H2O liquid to form 2NaOH aqueous plus H2 gases pH 12 to 14. Mg solid plus 2H2O liquid to form MgOH squared aqueous plus H2 gases pH 9 to 10. Mg solid plus H2O gases to form MgO solid plus H2 gases.